Evening to all students. Today's topic is switch case MCQ and searching techniques. Basically, what are the searching techniques we have, and based on the timing, we'll do the program. It is completely depend upon you. If you will give the MCQs quickly, we will move towards the searching technique. First question. A switch fall through occurs in Java only in the absence of dash. That means what is, if you are not going to give what, it is going to generate fall through. If I am missing gas, it will generate fall through. Good evening. Yes, good evening. Sir, can you please explain random? Definitely. Break. Break statement. Correctly said, break statement. If the break statement is missing, then it will generate fall through. Good. So I think few student has requested for random. So let me complete this one first one. Options is without option you have given. The correct answer is B. So I will take you towards, I think we'll do after few questions. Swagat, after few questions we'll do, because we are in mid over here. Break statement is correct answer. Switch 15 is given as an parameter. Here we can see that 15 as an parameter is given. Can we pass constant as an parameter to the switch case? Number two, can we use expression in the case constant? If it is not, whether it is going to generate compile time error or runtime error. His option is missing. That means none of this for runtime error. So how many of you have given the answer? Okay, sir is available, not answer is available. To B, 15 is going to be displayed. Okay. One answer I got from Pragjyoti. That means Pragjyoti wants to say that we can have constant as an parameter, we can give expression as a constant. Ayushman Mahapatra also says B. Swagat Kumar also says B. Mona Lisa Parida also B. Fine. Everyone answer B. That means we can give constant and we can use expression as an constant, because expression result is in the form of constant. So that's why we can have constant also. Everyone answer is B. Good. Then I am taking to the Java screen to show this one. So I'm saying switch. Suppose I am giving 10. And here in the case, I'm giving 5 plus 5 system.out.print 10. So the expression can be evaluated like this. I'm executing it, I'm getting 10. From this, it is quite clear that we can pass constant as a parameter or a variable or an expression, and case constant must be an integer, character constant, or string constant. Again, I'm repeating, it can be string constant if your Java compiler is or your JDK is more than 1.7. 1.7 से अगर वर्जन आपका बड़ा है, you can use string also. So let's check for the random one. System.out.print. I'm using math.random. If I'm simply using random, semicolon is missing at the end. If I'm simply using random, it will generate a random number between 0 and 1, excluding 1. So let's see whether it is generating excluding 1 or not. I'm saying for int c is equals to 0, c is less than 10, c plus plus. I want to generate 10 random numbers, so that's why I have to use println. Look at this, it is generating random numbers. 0 point, everything is 0 point. Got it? Everyone understood this one? Where can we use the random? Suppose you want to generate, a, what is that called, dice game, where the random number has to be generated between 1 to 6. So computer will play with you. So where you will play with the computer, you will throw the dice and computer will throw the dice. So we cannot say that my dice will generate 5, 4, 3. Your Ludo game, your snake and ladder game, in all these cases we are throwing a dice where it is automatically generates a number that is nothing but your random number. So because of these reasons, we are going to use random function. Any doubt? Any other doubt regarding the random function? Quickly, if you have any other doubt regarding random function. So we can generate it like this also. For I want to generate between the range, I will say that math.random into maximum minus minimum. Maximum is 6, minimum is 1. I'm saying I want to throw a dice which will generate random number between 1 and 6. So maximum minus minimum. Maximum is 6, minimum is 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. But I want to generate minimum 1. So that's why I will say plus 1. And after this, it is going to be multiplied with this one. It is going to be multiplied with this one. But it generates 0 point integer. I will say int within square bracket. This one. Now look at this. It is going to generate random number. I've forgotten to give parentheses over here. The random number that is generating over here. Math.random. Println. This is. Acha, I use Python mechanism. This is Java mechanism. Now look at this. Every time it is generating 1 because I have tried to convert this one into integer. if I will use the parameter for maths dot sale to this one, whatever number it is generating. Now we got 7. Sale is increasing the value. So what exactly the appropriate method that I should use over here, where it should give me the integer value as well as it will give me the, listen the question, it should give me the integer value as well as the fractional values has to be increased based on that. Yes, Swagat Kumar Hota, I am giving between 1 and 6. Can I use round now? Look at this, between 1 and 6 it is generating, because based on 0.5 it is generating. But what about other figures that is coming within this? What are the other figures that I want to generate within this? That is based on the other methods that I have to apply. So if I want to use after multiplication, look at this. These are the variety of ways that we want to use inside our program. So look at this. I am saying convert it into int. Which one? Math.random into this figure after multiplying, convert it into integer. Now we got the real fact of the figure. So that's why maths is more important. I said in computer programming, maths is more important than your computer science. Computer science is nothing but the application of math. So look at this. We have applied different methods and I have shown you in which case, which type of information is required for me. As per my requirement, I want to generate random number between 1 and 6 for the dice game. But if I'm using random, it is based on 0.5, either below 5 or above 5, it will round up. If you will round up this one, it will not work. But after multiplication, if you are going to round up, then it will work, because integral part will be increased in that case. And why the last plus 1? Because if it is generating 0 over here, integral part will be 0. The 0 multiplied with anything, this is becomes your meaningless. 0 multiplied with anything, result is 0. Because of that reason, this whole thing has to be converted into integral part. Hope I'm clear to everyone. This much is required for 10th only. This much is required only for 10th. When you will be in higher study, I will tell you how to use perfect use of your random function for game designing. Real use of your random function. Okay, now we can move towards our slide. So next part, is it buffering? Next question is in front of you. Answer is B, 15. Already I have shown you. Next question is in front of you. Choose the correct statement about the Java switch statement. These are the options for you. Such string ended. It is not ended from my side. It is not ended from my side. Buffering, stream ended. It's not. I have seen it is working in my side. In my second computer, it is working. Rejoin with the same link. Rejoin with the same link. Is it okay now? Is it working? It is working in my side. It is, you are saying it is not working in your side. Is it okay now? 3D is the answer. So all of this above. Correct answer is given by everyone. 3D. So now clear. Okay. A switch can contain another switch inside this. Then it is called DIAS. Question is, if a switch contains another switch inside it, then it is called DIAS. Nested switch. Good. Nested switch case. Option B. Option B says that switch case statement are allowed inside the if else ladder. Okay. So let's jump towards the Java screen. If suppose I'm saying character ch is equals to a, I'm saying if ch is greater than is equals to 65 and ch is less than is equals to 90, inside which I'm using switch case, switch within parenthesis, I am saying what I need to check. I need to check ch. I am saying if case a, suppose in case of a, I want to perform the operation for area of circle. You have to write down the code. It will take a lot of time, so that's why I'm showing you the snapshot of it. Area of circle, then you will give break. Then if your case is p system dot outer area of, sorry, perimeter of circle, perimeter of circle, like this you can take inside if. Is it clear? Now I'm using else now. Else if character is greater than is equals to, for digit 0 ASCII value. Let me see how many of remember this. Digit 0 ASCII value. Sir, why parenthesis is used in if block? I will tell you. Digit 0 ASCII value. 48 and taking a lot of time to answer. Oh, given, good. CH is less than equal to ASCII value for 9. ASCII value for 9. Who has given 58? ASCII value for 9. My side it is working, it is not ended. My side it is working. Look, students are giving messages. It is not ended from my side. What is 57? Acha, end value given. Okay, 57. Then I want to perform any operation on this one. If choices, then I will give the choice that is a number. I will say case 1. Now here it should be in the form of 1 like this because I am using CH over here. Then 1 or 2. For Nevian number, happy number, anything that you want, it can be done like this. So as Swagat said that, Rajesh said that, what is the need of this curly bracket? Just few new students are there available. They join, so they might get confused that where the switch started and where the switch end, where the if condition started and where the if condition is end. For them only, otherwise it is not required. It is not going to generate any error message because switch is a complete single statement inside this. It's not required. But the code in the live class is for everyone. Everyone should understand this. Because of that reason, curly bracket is given. Hope everyone understood how to use switch case inside a if condition. Real application depends on the program. Okay. Any other doubt regarding switch case? Any other doubt regarding switch case? Okay, yes, understood. So that means we'll show the output and we'll move towards the next question. Question number 4. Switch minus minus x is given. Now here it says that if x value is 1, then what will be the output? If user given x value, variable x value is 1, then what should be the output for this switch case? As I said that we can use expression inside the switch case. This is an example how we can use the expression. Already shown you how to use expression over here. Now it is how to use expression inside this. Okay, did I got the answer? No idea. No idea 9. No idea but 9. How it is possible? No idea but 9. Arey beta, if you are saying you don't have any idea, then how you got 9, Rajesh? 4, no idea. I'm really surprised everyone saying no idea, then how you are giving the output? If your answer is no idea, then how you are giving the output? Output only will come when you have an idea about it. Yes, write down. Answer is no idea. Yes, answer is no idea 9. No idea, then dot is coming. Okay. No idea dot 9. No idea dot 9. 4 no idea. Where you got 4? Sneha. Acha, answer 4. Answer 4 no idea. Swaroop. Answer 4 no idea. Output no idea 9. Answer no idea. Does not contain break. Nalini Kant. Output no idea. Sir, answer is no idea. Okay, now I got few students has given the answer no idea in lower case and dot is missing. Now x value is 1, minus minus x will make it 0. Because no case is satisfied. Because no case is satisfied, it is not because default is available at the beginning. It is because no case is satisfied. That's why it will execute default and we got no idea. And after that, break is missing, as Nalini said that break is missing, it will execute 9. Though print statement is available, it will display it side by side. After that, I am having break, it will come out of. So the correct answer is no idea 9 without any space. Now here I did a mistake. I forgotten to give dot over here. No idea dot is required. My answer dot is missing. Now it is the correct answer. No idea dot has to be available. Okay, Mona Lisa, only no idea is not the answer. Next is if x value is 6. If x value is 6, what will be the output? Quickly we'll finish this, thereafter we'll go for the program. No idea 9 is the old one or the new one you are giving. Ishan Panda says only dot. 5. Okay. 5 1 in the same line. Ruturaj. Rajesh 5 1 in the same line. But Ishan says that 5 next line 9. Swagat 5 next line 9. Ayushman 5 1 in the same line. Pragjyoti same line. Arpita good. 5 next line 1. Yes, those who have given the answer 5 next line 1. It is correct. It cannot display 5 and 1 in the same line. The reason behind it is x value is 6. Your minus minus x. Minus minus x will make it 5. Though 5 it is not going to execute the default, it will execute the case where it is matching, and it is going to display 5 over here. After that, after displaying, it will come to the next line. The reason behind is your println, and in the next line it will print 1. After that, I am having break to come out of it. So the answer is 5 1 in different line in mobile keyboard. Okay, Ashwit Subudhi, may I know your original name? Here is an option again for you, switch to. Parameter is a constant. No default is available this time. Directly we have case constant. We have directly display statement, no default is available. So what will be the answer? Sir, again buffering for my side, it is not buffering, surprise. I can see, I can tell your answer. Rajesh Kumar given in mobile keyboard. Swarup Panda say 5, next line 1 is not buffering in my side. Yes, sir, again buffering. Aswit only. Aswit 10th class. Okay, we got the answer now. 5A, compile time error. Now, if it is an error, then you have to specify the reason. You have to specify the reason for the error. 5C, 1 it will display. Arpita, okay. 5C got answer. If it is error, you have to specify me the reason of the error. Swastik Raut says C. Ayushman, compile time error. I said those who are saying compile time error or runtime error, they have to specify the reason. Ninth class. Okay. Auschwitz from ninth class. I am unable to recall you, Auschwitz. Ninth class. Okay, fine. Can you tell me which institute you are belongs to? Now, Rajesh 5A. As there is no case and the statement without case or default will generate a syntax error or compile time error. Because case is not present, case must be present in switch case. So it is an error. Okay. What about Swagat? Ninth class, we discussed this particular part. Is it because of case is missing? A1 batch. Okay, now I recalled. Yes, no output. Fine, because the case. Fine. Now the answer is here error. Syntax error is this one. It is not because of the case is missing, because it should start with a case or default. When it compile at the time, it will generate an error as the case is missing and the default is missing. Sir, because case is not present and case must be present. It is not mandatory that it should contain case. It is mandatory that it should begin. If it is contains any statement, it must begin with either a case or a default. Because of that reason, compile time error. Next question. As you said that at least there must be a case or there must be a default. Because of that reason, I'm having one more question for you. As you said that there must be a case present. Now this time, options are available for you. A, because case is not present and case must be present. Okay, what about 10th class? 90% answer given by 9th class this time. What about 10th class? They are unable to answer this. 6C. C, Ayushman, when it compiles at the time, it will generate an error as case. Only Ayushman Mahapatra from 10th is given the answer. Now Arpita, C. Ayushman Mahapatra, C. Maximum 9th class student is giving the answer. 6C, as no case is present, it will come from the case. Okay. That's why I said that detailed explanation given to 9th class regarding switch case. How they can answer like this. 6A, compile time error. Nalini Kant. Pragjyoti sir, is the case is not mandatory in the switch? I don't know. It is taught to you. It is taught to you. You have to recall. I'm waiting for the 10th class. Ayushman Mahapatra and Arpita, I think. Two candidates. Swagat, Swastik also given. Sir, I'm giving answer. Yes. Swastik is also giving the answer from the 10th class. Okay. So the answer is option C. Click like button. Because it is not mandatory to have a case or default inside it. But as I already told you, if there is any statement inside the switch case, then it must be either case or default. So because of that reason, answer is C. That is click like button. Now though the answer is click like button, nobody is clicking the like button. Number of current viewers is more than the like. Still you are not clicking the like button. You have to go for this one. As your answer is click like button. Okay, let me take you to the Java screen to show this one. Now we are in Java screen. I'm deleting this part is not required. This part is not required. Now here I'm giving any figure because I just don't want to do any operation. So I'm just deleting this part. I'm putting this one switch case. Now you can see the red point at the left hand side. Switch case is closed by the opening and closing brackets, and the point of the statement is outside of it. Good. Ayushman Mahapatra. Good, good. Now look at over here the red mark you can see in the left hand side, which indicates it is generating an error because it must start with a case or a default. Now can you able to see the red point in the left hand side? I am showing my mouse pointer also there. Quickly give me the response. Can you able to see the syntax error? I'm moving my mouse pointer nearby. Can you able to see the red point? My mouse pointer is moving nearby that one. Hand mark. Okay. Now if I'm using case, any case value, it will not generate any error message now. Now look at this, the red mark is removed. I can use default also. I can use default also. Now the next question arises, can I use only break? Yes, next question is that can I use only break? Because break is also a statement. Break is also a statement. Can I use only break inside the switch case? If it is buffering from your side, press F5 function key. No, we cannot because this is also a statement. Now I'm making it empty. Look at this. I made it empty, but curly bracket is mandatory. Now I'm using a display statement inside this. Now I'm using a display statement inside it. Look at this, no error, and we are going to get the output area of circle. Hope I'm clear to everyone. Asutosh, no sir. Where you have not understood, Asutosh? No sir, without case default, no statement are allowed inside the switch. Okay, good. Your answer is like that. Okay, fine, fine. Any doubt regarding this? Can I move for the next question? Now here is the question for you. Put or error. I think screen is completely visible to all of you. Look, if sometime it is buffering, I said press F5 to come out of it. Okay, output. Fine. If it is output, what is the output? What is the output? Output is 65. I said if it is buffering in between some time because the weather is not supporting, you can press F5 to refresh the browser. Okay, 65. Output is A. Rajesh says A and Sahil Kaushik says 65. Ishan says A. Ishan surprised he was not giving the previous answer. Switch case. Output A. Okay. So output is not going to give because case is 65. But output is A. If it is going to give output, then it will give A or B. It's not going to give 65 or 66. Hope I am clear to everyone. Now here I am using case constant B. Here I am saying CH and CH1. Okay. Now tell me output or error. Yes, I've changed the question. Error this time. Okay, one candidate has given error. 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 Case constant cannot be variable. Swagat Kumar Hutta. Swarup, error, error, error. Those who are saying error, I said that give your explanation also why it is going to generate error. Just like Swagat given the explanation why you think it is an error. Because the constant is passed as a parameter to switch or because the variable is used in case constant. Yes, case can be a character or an integer only. Case constant, but it cannot be a variable. So that's why it is going to generate error. Now let me show you the error. Now you can able to see the error. Red mark in the left hand side. Left hand side red mark. This case and in this case error is coming. Okay. Now it's time for the question again. Now it is a little bit bigger question. Error because variable cannot be checked for equality in case. Cannot be. Variable cannot be checked for equality. No. We can check the variable for the equality. How we are checking in if condition. It's not that reason. We cannot use variable. It is only allowing you the constant, Arpita. It is only allowing the constant. Look at this, Ayushman Mahapatra given. Constant cannot be a variable. Subhasmita, first answer Subhasmita. Because it can be only a character or integer. It can be string also. Okay, here I have taken string s is equal to pyari, s is equal to 2 uppercase. Let me explain this one. 2 uppercase will convert the string into uppercase, capital letter. After that, I am saying s dot char at 2 position. Which one is 2 position? This is 0, y is 1, a is 2 position, r is 3 position, and I is at 4 position. Char at 2 position. You have to find it out. What is the value of ch? Switch ch. Then already I have shown you how to use if condition inside switch case. Now we have if and else if. We have display statement. We don't have any break. Answer is 7C, letter. Good. Sir, I have given the answer from the second number. But I have received, this is your first answer, Subhasmita. Samir also first answer. Okay, answer is letter. 7C, letter. Swagat Kumar hota C, letter. Samir, letter. Swarup Panda, letter. Okay. Ashutosh, letter. Anyone else who wants to give the answer, I will give the answer. Yes, Swagat Kumar hota understood, letter. Option C is letter. Should I wait for others or I will give the answer? If you want, quickly give me the answer. 7A. As no statement can execute without case or default. Sir, output is letter. No, not letter. Okay. So the correct answer is compile time error. Correct answer is 7A, compile time error. Now, who can explain me why it is going to generate a compile time error? Don't know, sir. Okay. I think you are not concentrating on the class, those who have given the wrong answer. Or you might have not joined from the beginning, where I have already explained this kind of code is going to generate error. Now my answer is error. Who can explain me the reason for the error? Seven as there is no case or default available inside the switch. But your previous answer, Rajesh, was sir, output is letter, not letter. Huh? Your previous answer was different. Sir, without case statement are present, so compile time error. So stick route due to the absence of case. Yes, correct answer. Yes, good. Answer is A. Yes, this time question number 8, and these are the options. What should be added to the code to get the output? What should I add in the existing code to get the result? Already it has been explained also. This is also I have explained. Okay, sir, understood. Case is absent. Yes. This is also already explained. Those who are attentive or those who have joined from the beginning, they can able to answer it. Let me see how many of you are concentrating on the class. कहाँ गया आपका क्वेश्चन? Case with the case constant and default. Is it mandatory, Ishan, default? I said only I will use any one, case or default. I said I want the output. We need to add the keyword default or case. Adding a case or default. If you are going to add case, which case you will add? Case what? If you want to add case what? Case what you are going to add to get the output. Default, we don't need any value. Case constant or the default inside the body. Yes, my question is that if I'm going to use case to get the output, what should be my case constant? What should be my case constant to get the output? Because my question is, what should I add to get the output? Case constant or the default should be added. Yes, I got it, beta. Everyone is giving. So Rajesh Kumar says that case 5. Ayushman Mahapatra says case 65. Okay. Now we have to move to JavaScript now. The more quick you will give the answer, the more quickly we can do the operation. Now I'm just taking the code. Hold on. Yes, this is applied. Now here you said that I will use case what you said 65 colon. Yes, we got letter because ch is, look at this, pya 2 position, that is 0 1 2, that is your a. Now this will be compared either with 65 or with a. Okay. Now if I want to check this one, what should I add to this one? I cannot, because it is a part of if else one. It must contain a digit over here. It must contain a digit over here. Is it clear? Can I use, now let me see the screen first of all, how much it is visible to you. Okay. Now I'm hiding it. Now I'm hiding it because I'm going to ask one more question to you. Error part I'm hiding. Okay. Can I use type conversion over here to convert it into integer? Now it will be purely integer 65. Now it is purely integer 65. Yes, now we are going to get the output or error. Okay, case A understood. Now my question is output or error. This time because typecasting is used. No sir, error. Okay. Yes, the correct answer is error. आपको कहीं दिख रहा है क्या? Yes, it is going to generate an error because typecasting is not allowed. No sir, it will generate error. Typecasting is done wrong. Yes. So फिर से मैं स्क्रीन को बाहर ले रहा हूँ. Just hold on. Okay. Now this time typecasting is done correctly. Is it possible now? Now, int without parenthesis. Good observation, Ishan. Used for error. I like that. Don't give error like this. Right. Swastik also given due to missing of brackets like this. Sir, yes, possible. No error, sir. Yes, this time it is not going to generate error because the typecasting is made for A, which is making it of type integer where it is an integer constant. So we are going to get the output now. Next question. Now I'm making it float. Quick. Now I did it float. Now I did it float. Quick, it is already 9:30. We have to do the programs also. Now it is going to error. If it is error, I said that give me the reason. Give me the reason for the error. Yes. Error or case constant cannot be a fractional value. Good. Now, though we are converting into float, it is going to give me the error. Good. Okay. So this answer we can use either default keyword or case constant. Next, question number 9. Error or case constant, float or double is not allowed. Question number 9. Again, we are using char at. Again, I'm using char at. No one is answering, or I'm unable to receive the answer. Yes, nobody has answered. Okay, I'm giving you the options. I thought without option you can able to give the answer. Don't take much time because it is char at 0 position. You don't need to count also. Ss dot next dot char at 0 position. It is not ss, it is s dot. Wait a minute, wait a minute. It is not ss, it is s dot. Answer is first. First is your answer. F-I-R-S-T. Can anybody tell me the reason why it is first? Why it is first? SS is there. I've already rectified Arpita. I've already rectified. 9C last. Okay. 9C, 9C. C, C, C. C is first. C first, first, first. Everyone is having first. First. Everyone is saying first, 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 first. Quickly, quickly. Quickly send me your answer. Okay, this is an exception case where you are going to get error because string is an object and we are trying to access the member of it. Because of that reason, it is going to generate an error for you. Okay, let me prove that one also for you. Let me take you to the Java screen to show how it is going to generate error. Let me copy the code first of all, which I want to show you. FL वाला ना FL वाला ठीक है. I'm copying the code. Code is pasted. Now see, we are going to get the error over here. Why? So here dot next dot caret, because of this one. The reason behind is that next method is belongs to your scanner object. Error. Next cannot be used in a string. It can be a scanner method. Good. I think, oh, I have not changed it. I have not changed the screen. I'm changing the screen for you. Okay. Now you got it. Now if I'm removing this one, s dot care at 0 position. Now we are going to get the error over here for the case constant. Here I have used s dot next, where next is a method. Next is a method of scanner class, not the string. Because of that reason, first one. Number two, I'm trying to extract a character which is a part of your string. Because of that reason, it cannot be treated as a character constant or integer. The screen is not changed. Yes, I realized. Now I have changed. So got it. We'll move towards the next question now. Your next question is for you. The last question. Here I'm using final. Those who have attended encapsulation part 1, 3, they are aware of this keyword final. I'm using final keyword over here, which is also known as modifier. Now, if you want option, I'm giving you the option. Yes, I have given the question now. Question number 10. Final keyword is used. Screen is not changed. It's changed, beta. Now I am in question number 10. Are you getting the question number 10? 10A. Syntax error. Okay. Only one candidate from the 9th class given the answer. But surprise, 10th class students are there inside the class. Then only one candidate from the 9th class is giving the answer. What about others? Will you answer or I will show the answer? Arpita, Subhasmita, Ishan, Ayushman, Sneha, Swastik. So many 10 students are there, but unable to answer. Asutosh, but unable to answer. Swagat Kumar Hota, no output. No output, no error. 10. A. Syntax error. A. Syntax error. Constant has NO. Constant has NO. Where is NO? It is having a number. Ishan, what is NO? Unable to understand. No output. Swagat Kumar Hota. 10D. 2 is the answer given by Arpita. TW2. Those who are saying error, specify me the reason. And those who are saying output, specify me the reason how we are going to get the output. Now, Pragjyoti is unable to answer. Arpita Das, 10A. I said those who are saying error, no single quote. What is the need of single quote? But X is a variable and Y is a variable. Look at this, x is a variable, Ishan. X is a variable and y is a variable. I am using this variable over here, x, which is declared, and I'm using y over here. Y is a variable which is already declared and which is also having some value to compare. Sir, in case there should be a constant instead of variable. 10A, Subhasmita Das. And beta, those who are saying error, specify me the reason for the error. And those who are saying output, Arpita Swami only given the output called D, 10D. Now explain me why it is 10D. That is answer is 2. And somebody is saying no output. Because a variable cannot be used as an case constant. Good. Sir, output, because final keyword makes the variable constant and break after the case y. So output comes 2. Okay, fine. Sir, given 10 case constant cannot be a variable. Okay, fine. Swagat sir, given 10 as a case constant cannot be a variable. Yes, I have seen. I am surprised. I am looking for the 10th class is not giving the answer. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you the output. You are not going through the question properly. I am showing you now. Final keyword is used. So final keyword is used for a case constant. Swagat and Rajesh are the 9th class students. Case constant. Final keyword is making a variable as a constant. So now it is not treated as a variable, it is a constant. Now let me take you to the Java screen. I think Java screen is available to all of you. Let me delete this 10. Okay, let me show you the output. 11, I'm pressing 11, I'm getting no output. Only one candidate has rightly given the answer. I'd forgotten his name. No output. किसी एक बच्चे ने लिखा था, मैंने उसका नाम भूल गया. सर, नो सिंगल कोट, नो आउटपुट. आयुष्मान महापात्र. Ayushman Mahapatra given no output. Yes. Ayushman Mahapatra. The reason behind is that this question contains so many things inside it. Number one, now it is not treated as a variable, it is treated as a constant because final keyword is used, which makes it a constant. Because of that reason, no error will come. But x value is 1. But here switch variable contains 10 to be compared, where x value is not 10 and y value is not 10. No default is available. Hope I am clear. That's why I said that you are not going through the question properly. You are always in a hurry to answer. Understood now? Don't get hurry to give the answer. Try to understand what exactly it is asking to do. Okay. Now we'll come back to the slide. Yes, understood everyone. Now this was the last question. Now we'll move towards. Now this is wrong. Answer given by me, A. Wrongly given. Next we'll move towards linear search. Now linear search, in question it says that write a program to store 5 students' name. Now though it is talking about 5 students' name, that means indicating for an array where we can store more than one data, name and their average mark in a two different single dimension array. That means one array will store the name Another array will store the average. What the next part is saying, accept the name of the student and display his or her corresponding marks if available. Underlining this one, it is saying that if it is available, then I will display. If it is available, if it is not, what it is saying, or it is not talking about that one, yes, it is saying otherwise display not found. So these are the complete question that we got. Now here we'll see how it is working. Suppose this is an array where I'm having the name, and though it is going to be a parallel array, so common index position is shared by both the arrays. And here I want to search the name called Anita. So though it is a parallel array, its mark must be 32.8. Now how the searching process begins? Initially I am taking the position as -1. Why? Because I need to identify this particular position. If I can identify the name in this particular second index position, then obviously in the second index position I am going to get the marks. So that's why my target is this index position. So how to do this? So we have to check the name entered by the user with the current index position name. So that means the name has to be compared. Now here it is false because Anita and Anil both are not same. Now next index position needs to be checked. That is one position. Again it is not same. Again I'm going to check with this position. Now both are same. That's why answer is true. The comparison is true, but the output has to be this one. Now how I'm going to get this one? I have to update this position now. What I need to update? I need to update this position. So that's why the position will be 2. Now if the position will be 2, then this particular array, average array 2 index position, average array 2 index position will give me the average mark. Hope I'm clear to everyone. So now it's time to do the program, implement it in my program. Everyone understood the mechanism? So here it will take a lot of time. So I am saying data type must be string, string name is equals to new string. I'm applying 5 for the 5 students name. Like this, for average mark, I will take float because very less average mark which will come under your float range. AVG square bracket is equals to new float where it is 5. After this, I will accept a message, display message system.out.print. Get ready that I'm going to ask Subhasmita Das. No, sir, can you repeat once? Which one? Subhasmita? Which one I need to repeat? Yes, sir, can you repeat? Which one you are asking? Slide or the program? Question, slide, what you want? Specify. Sir, can you again repeat the process? Okay. First of all, I will accept the data in an array, and then I will accept the data for an average where I will store both the name and array in a parallel array. So that's why I think very earlier I posted 2 videos. One is for parallel array and another is for independent array. Before your examination, I have already posted, I have explained this one, how parallel array is working and how independent array is working. I think you might have not gone through Susmita and Ishan. That's why you are unable to understand this one. Okay, let me explain it again. These are 2 parallel arrays. That's why common index position has to be taken for both. Now I will accept a string that I need to search where user entered Anita, and I need a position. Initially position is -1 because -1 is for not found case. because I am saying that name is not found. Why -1? Because all positive numbers are your valid index position for found case, and -1 is for not found case. That's why position is taken -1 for not found. Next, I will begin like this. I will check the search name entered by the user with the 0th index position of the name array. By 1, I will reach index position 1, where again I will compare the name entered by the user with the first index position name, where both are not same, false again. Again, I will increase the index position counter by 1. It becomes 2. So that's why user entered name is compared with the second index position name, which is true because both are same. Here it is Anita, here is also Anita. But I need to display this average mark, which is stored over here. So that's why I have to update this index position over here. In this position, I need to store. So that's why it is updated to 2. Now, once I got 2, I will say average of second index position. Average of second index position will give me the average mark of the found name. Understood now? Look, Ayushman Mahapatra already understood and he is asking for explanation of float and double. Okay, now understood? Subhasmita and Ishan. Quickly give me a response. We have to learn binary search also. And it is already near about 10. Quickly give your response, beta, whether you have understood or not. Ishan and Subhasmita. Okay, let me go further to explain more. Look at this. I am taking not found case now. This is the name and this is the index position. Now I want to search Vinod. Initially, index position is -1. Now what I am going to search Vinod is compared with the 0th index position because index position begins from 0. Where it is false, is not matching. Again, Vinod is going to be compared with the next index position because I'm increasing the counter by 1. So here Vinod equals to Sunil. Again, it is false. Increase the index position. Vinod is compared with second index position. Anita, false again. Increase the index position by 1. It is 3. Vinod is going to be compared with 3 index position. Sunita, false again. Again, increase the index position by 1. It is 4. Now, Vinod is compared with Sarita. It is false. Now, after this, end of the array. That means I will come out of it and I will check what is the position? -1. -1. As I said that initially I have taken for not found case. Got it, everyone? Ishan and Subhasmita, kindly give your confirmation so that we can move towards the program. Now, who is asking? Print, enter name and average mark for 5 students, semicolon. This is println. I'm using for loop. Now, who can say me the for loop part? Now, here onwards, it is your job. Here onwards, it is your job. I am just doing the basic part. You will tell me the calculation part. After seeing the explanation, you will try to convert it to the code program. C is equal to 0. C is less than name dot length C plus plus. Inside this curly bracket, name is equals to, I have not taken the scanner class object. Scanner access is equal to new scanner within this system dot in. Name is equals to ss dot next line. After this, I will say avg is equals to ss dot next double. Now find out the error. Reply to Ayushman, float is taken because average can be long number, so it is taken, but double can be up to limited number. Okay. Now find out the error quickly. Who can identify the error? Yes, good. Name of. These are the general mistake students are doing. Okay. Now calculation part is your part. One more error. One more error. But data size of double is larger than the float. Correct question. Correct reply question by Ayushman Mahapatra to Subhasmita. Okay. Next part. One more error is there. One more error is there. Mona Lisa, yes, average of C. I did this too. I did this too. Still, I said one more error is there. One more error. Yes, one more error. What is that? Quick, quick. It is 9:57 better. Sir, error message is coming. Okay. Sir, when the live class streaming is starting. Okay. Yes. Average is equals to next float. Good. Sneha, after a long time you have given the answer, Sneha. Next float, because now the data type is of type float. Calculation part, as per the process, as per the dry run, tell me the calculation process. But is the accept process is over? Quick, quick, quick. Is accept process is over? We'll move towards the calculation. Or still something is missing in accept? No. I just want quite late to give the answer next float. Now my next question is the accept job is over or still we need to accept? If I need to accept, what I need to accept? Ishan says that accept part is over. Aparajita Das, Dipti. I think Aparajita Das, Dipti. Very late to answer. Next float. Arpita says not over. Ayushman says over. Ishan says over. Mona Lisa Parida says over. To avoid the error, we need to add another ss dot next line. Name to check. Yes. Not over, sir. Excellent narration. Thank you. Not over. Now you are saying not over, Ishan. Okay. So I think in the previous class, I already told you I'm using next line over here. So a dummy has to be given. So I got the runtime error. Okay. Accept part is missing. What next accept part is required? Required. What is that? One more accept part is required. What is that? Sir, name to check is required. Good. So I need to accept one more name that I need to search for. Now accept part is not over, Arpita. Yes, now loop accepting over. Next, it will accept the name as required to search. Yes. Ss dot next println. Now here it is print now. Enter the name to display average mark. After that, again, I will say string search name is equals to ss dot. Yes. After this, name to check. It's over. Next. Yes. Next part now. What is the next thing that I need to do? Name to check. Okay. What next? Somebody has given the answer. Name to check. Already accepted. Arpita already accepted. Name to check. What next? Somebody has given pre-processing. Ishan says loop. Ayushman say if. Surprising. Two candidates are saying pre-processing. Ayushman says for loop. Mami Panda says pre-processing. Mona Lisa Panda says pre-processing. Mona Lisa Panda. Okay. What is the pre-processing we need? To check two names. No, 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 no. No, no. I'm still waiting for you. Not the correct answer given by you. Not the correct answer given by you. Something is missing. Still something is missing. Lagging practice. Lack of practice. Now we have to have a flag value. Good job. Good job. Suhasmita, sir, I'm having a doubt how to know where the dummy is required and where it is not required. It has already been explained in a video, that is in class video, where the dummy is required, where the dummy is not required. It is not the new thing. I have already explained this one. When I accepting a data with next line, it is going to generate a problem. It's not a new thing. Sir, flag value. Good. Now we need to have a flag value. Excellent. Int f is equals to -1 flag value. Now after this, I can use the for loop. For int c is equals to 0, c is less than name dot length c plus plus. Okay. Inside this, what should I do? Next, POS, sir, should be taken. Okay. Instead of POS, I have taken the flag. Next, for loop is already done. After for loop, that's why I said that flag will matter a lot. This is linear search. You are taking a time, you are doing mistake because you are not practicing. Arpita, flag value should be taken now. If the name is not available, then -1. It will be returned. Good. Now we'll have the if statement. Yes, we'll say if. Now tell me the condition. Tell me the condition now. Yes, who can tell me the condition? Quick, but I am getting late. No idea, Subhasmita. Okay. Anyone else? Aishman Mahapatra is there. Aparajita is there. Ishan. Name of C dot equals SN. Good job. Name of C dot equals ignore case, because I don't know in which case the data is stored and in which case the data is available in the array SN. If both are equal, then what should I do? Good. Three candidate has given the perfect answer. Asutosh Sasmal. Okay. We don't have any method called equals to. Asutosh. F is equal to C. Good. F is equal to C because C is the index position at which we found it. Good job. After that, Ishan, right? Correct answer. Good going, Ishan. Good going. Yes, Arpita. Good going. Aparajita Das. That is Dipti. Yes, Dipti. Good going. F is equal to C. Subhasmita. Good. Change the flag. Good. Break. Subhasmita. Good. Break. Is it okay now? Yes, break is used. Now after that, what I need? Break is used to come out of the loop. After that, sir, curly bracket. Good, good, Ishan. Good observation. Yes, Arpita also. Good observation. Okay, fine. Excellent. Now next. Like this, while writing the program in an examination, you have to watchful for each and everything. Suvasmita, good job. Curly bracket is required. Next. Next. Sir, curly bracket is required. Yes, Mona Lisa, over. Curly bracket job is over. Anything else in the calculation part? Flag. Change the flag value. Already changed. Subhasmita, flag value is changed over here. Flag value is changed because C is the index position where it is found. C is the index position where it is found. So that's why I'm updating it with the flag value. Now, calculation part is over. His calculation part is over. Or still we need to do something. That is the benefit of live class. When you are there in live class, you will go with me. You will think what to write. But in offline, you will see the answer directly. No, sir, calculation part is over. Good. In offline, you will see what sir is saying and you will listen. But online, you will think about it. What next to be done. And you will be quick enough to answer because others are answering. Look at Arpita. She has already given the output. That is what competition has to be arised in live class. You will compete with the good students to think fast. Now best difference is then f is equal to -1. Why -1? Because not found case. If f is equals to -1, it is a not found case. I will display system dot out dot print. What not found I will display? I will display the name which is entered by the user is not found. I will say sn not found. Otherwise it is found. But I need to display the average also. That's why I will say messages like this. Average mark of Sn is equals to plus AVG of gas. Who can say AVG of what? AVG of what? Who can say question mark is given over there? AVG of what I need to display? Ishan Panda says F. Arpita F. Mona Lisa F. Yes, yes, yes. That is F. Now let's execute it. .54.56. Now enter the name that I want to display the average. Suppose I am saying Rakesh Shahu over here. Rakesh Shahu. Now average mark of Rakesh Shahu is 59.32. Hope I am clear to everyone. Now again I need to enter the data to display not found case. So I am not doing that one. You people will do that one. Ishan Panda sir, how to know where to use dummy line in except for loop? Because beta, in every video I am providing some special things. If you are not watching the program that I am uploading, then that is your fault. Everything cannot I tell in every areas बेटा. एक बार उसको वीडियो में बताऊं, एक बार लाइव क्लास में बताना है, फिर से एक बार आपको ऑफलाइन क्लास में बताना है. ओके, आई एम टू मच टायर्ड रिपीट करते करते आप लोगों को. Reply to Ishan, if there is next line, then we can use to avoid the logical error. Okay, go with the answer given by the Subhasmita. Subhasmita already answered you. जहां पे नेक्स्ट लाइन होगा वहां पे आप लोग लगा लेना ये डमी. ठीक है. ओके, सो नाउ I don't think I will have sufficient time for the binary search today. We have taken a lot of times for. That's why I said that you are not practicing. That's why we are getting late. आप थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करते तो यहाँ पे जल्दी जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है आपका लीनियर सर्च इन मल्टीपल एरे. ओके, सो गुड नाइट. अगर फिर से टाइम मिलेगा सैटरडे संडे और बीच में कहीं, बट आप लोग इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखा रहे हो ना. मैं अपने खुद के इंटरेस्ट से आपके लिए सैटरडे संडे निकाला इस बार. आपने कभी अपने तरफ से इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखाया कि सर वी आर क्लोज टू द एग्जामिनेशन, सर डू लाइव क्लास फॉर दिस और दैट. So that's why I am little bit reluctant now to do the live classes and to give special things to you people. Okay, good night. Good night to all. Sir, can you give me a question? Okay, definitely. But in the meantime, good night, beta. Good night to all. Definitely. Are you all perfect with? Thank you, Arpita. Thank you. Thank you. Good night. But the more interest you will show, the more classes I will provide. Because the classes is required to you, not to me. So that's why interest factor should come from your side. Okay, now I am stopping the things. बेटा लाइव क्लास सुबस्मिता लाइव क्लास इसीलिए बनाया जाता है कि आप क्विकली थिंक करोगे, आपका फ्रीक्वेंसी सर का फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच हो. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड लाइव परफॉर्मेंस, लाइव क्लास. इट शुड बी फास्ट एनफ. उतना फास्ट नहीं जा रहा है हम लोगों का क्लास. That's why I'm little bit demotivated with this live classes. Only I forcefully arrange this Saturday class because you people are having exam. But that energy or enthusiasm is not coming from my side. Okay, by the way, good night. Best of luck to all of you.